Hello, I'm Rebecca of Pocketful of Posies. And speaking of pockets, let's make some. These make really great gifts. They are perfect for under your 18th century style skirts, the adjustable skirts. If you want to see a video about how I make those, check out the link below. And yeah, they're great. Pockets are awesome, and everything should have pockets. But what if you could just transfer your pocket to anything you were wearing? You can wear them under your skirts, you can wear them over your skirts, you can wear them over pants, you can wear them like a purse that you attach, like a fanny pack, but cuter. So off we go. For this set of pockets, I used a pattern from Black Snail Patterns, but you could draft your own easily. If you'd like 15% off any digital pattern from Black Snail Patterns, follow the link in the description or use the code POCKETFULOFPOSIES at checkout. After taping and cutting out the pattern, Hercules assisted while I cut out the cotton pocket pieces. For these, I made two sets of pockets. I cut a line down the center of both front pieces for the opening. After a quick ironing, I added some decorative stitching, totally optional. The openings and edges are bound with bias tape. I sewed the bias tape to the pocket openings right sides together. After folding and turning the bias tape over to the inside of the pocket, I secured it by hand with a whip stitch. This could also be done quicker on the machine. Now to attach the fronts to the backs. You want them to be wrong sides together and then sew around the edges with a basting stitch. Lucius was very helpful. You could alternatively sew them right sides together and flip out, but then you'd have raw edges on the inside unless you finished those raw edges. Next, I bound the top edges with bias tape. The rest of the pocket gets bound with bias tape next. Same process. Sew with the machine, turn, then secure with the whip stitch or the machine. To attach the pockets around my waist, I used twill tape and measured where I wanted them to sit and sewed the twill tape to the pockets, leaving enough length to tie at my waist. You could use ribbon or anything you want to attach them together or attach them to your waist. This could also be done on the machine. Thor and Loki came to visit, and Hercules and Lucius too, so I had all my helpers during my final steps. I put them on over stays and a bum roll, and they are perfect under 18th century style adjustable skirts. I've made a lot of pockets and given them as gifts. My sister uses hers when she's doing stuff around the house and needs somewhere to keep her phone. They're just great handmade gifts for birthdays or holidays. What about you? Have you made pockets? Do you love them? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you spending your time with me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and if you'd like to be notified whenever I upload, you can hit that little bell icon. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to be sharing how I make a Cinderella transformation gown for a production of Rodgers and Hammerstein's Cinderella. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you on our next sewing adventure. Bye!